شد چینی بعد اهل البیت پاک مصطفی کیست و اندر رتبه محبوب خدا است و سلمان لایق این افتخار یا ابوالفضل هست و صاحب اعتبار.
The life of Salman Muhammadi. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear listener, welcome back to my channel Zikre Karbala. So this is the program The Life of Salman Muhammadi. So now let's begin. Today's topic will be the journey from Rosba Parsi to Salman Muhammadi. So now let's begin. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam Salmanu minna ahlul bayt. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam said, Salman is among us ahlul bayt. Salman is among us ahlul bayt. So now let's begin. So Rosba Parsi mean Salman Muhammadi was born in the country of Iraq. There is a city Isfahan, and in that city there is a village G village. So Rosba Parsi was born in the G village. He was born in the G village. His religion was Zoroastrianism. So his father's work was to keep burning that fire to which they pray. They pray to a fire. So his father had used to put wood in that fire to keep it burning. So this was his work. So when Rosba Parsi had grown up, then his mother had died. So then his aunt had taken his guardianship. But his father had loved him most, and he don't want to let him go out or do anything, because Rosba Parsi don't like his religion. And he was in a search for a religion in which the people will only worship one God. He was in search of this type of religion. So first, what happened that his father was busy and he had a work. So he sent his son Rosba Parsi for that work. When he went, on the way there was a church. So he heard some sound which was coming from that church. He went in the church. Now he saw the Christians were praying there. So now he got very impressed to see them praying, to see the way they were praying. He got very impressed. So now he want to accept Christianity. So he reached home very late in night. Then his father was worried. He asked, "My son, where were you all this time?" Then he answered that I was passing by. I have seen a church. When I went in, I saw the way they were praying, and I am impressed with the way they were praying, and now I want to accept Christianity. Christian religion is better than our religion, he said. Then his father said, "No, our religion is better than Christianity." Then he christened his own son in his own house, because he doesn't want to see his son doing anything. So he has christened him in his own house. So he have heard from the Christian priest that a last prophet is going to come with a new religion, Islam. And that man name was named Muhammad. His name will be Muhammad. He will come in Arab. So then Rosba Parsi said that any caravan which is going to go to Syria, you all will tell me. He was in prison at his own home. So, a karma was ready to go to Syria. He was informed. Then he was successful in escaping from his own house. He escaped from his own house and then he left his homeland, went to that karma, and then he reached Syria. In first Hijri, 1 Hijri, he reached Syria. So, when he reached Syria, he got to know that the last prophet had come with that religion Islam, and now he want to accept Islam. So then he got to know that the prophet have migrated or done the hijrat from Makkah to Medina. So he want to go Medina. First Medina was called Yasrib or Hijaz. So he left for Hijaz. When he was on the way, a man from Bani Kalb, had kidnapped him, had captured him, and then he took him and prisoned him. He was prisoned. After this, he sold him in the hand of a Yahudi. So, when he had sold him, then his heart was illuminated with the noor of Islam and he wanted to accept Islam. So, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when got to know about Rozba Parsi, then he planted 40 trees of dates. And these dates give the fruit of date in 1 year. But when he planted the trees, it started growing at that same time. So he planted 40 trees of date. After this, he also gave that Yahudi 40 dirhams with that 40 trees of dates which he have grown. And then he had freed Rozba Parsi from that Yahudi. When he freed him, then Rozba Parsi accepted Islam at that same moment. He accepted Islam. And then Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had given him a beautiful name, Salman. So this is how he became from Rozba Parsi to Salman Farsi and from Salman Farsi to Salman Muhammadi. So the word Salman or the name Salman means like and security. And by giving the name Salman to Rozba Parsi and make him Salman, Prophet had proved that the spirit of Salman was pure. His spirit was pure. And that's why Prophet named him Salman Farsi. He named him Salman. So after Salman Farsi had accepted Islam, then he stayed with the Prophet all the time. He stayed with the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So once one Muslim had asked him that who are these people? Then he said this is this and he is that, she is that. And after this, when he saw Imam Ali alayhi salam, when Salman saw Imam Ali alayhi salam, he said, I don't know him. Then Muslims heard it. Then they went to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They said, Salman is saying he don't know Ali. Then Prophet said, okay, call Salman. Salman was called. Prophet asked him, Salman, tell them why you have said that you don't know Ali. Because Prophet know why he have said that he don't know Ali. So he said, tell them why you said that you don't know Ali. Then Salman gave a beautiful answer for this question. He said, okay, you have said instead of you and Ali, nobody knows Allah. He said, of course. Then Salman said that, and you have said that instead of Allah and Ali, nobody knows you. Then he said, of course. And after this, he said, like this way, you have also said that instead of you and Allah, nobody knows Ali. Then Prophet came to that Muslims and said, now you all have understood why he said that he don't know Ali. So this was how he had proved that he is an Muslim and the best companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He had a rank and a post of the best companion of the Prophet. So this was today's episode. I hope you all have liked it. So in the next episode we will bring, the topic will be the idea of Salman Farsi in Khandak. The idea of Salman Farsi in the Battle of Khandak. This will be the second episode. So very soon the second episode will come. Till then, give me permission. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.